Okay, good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible to you people? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First thing I will say, since this is the first class you people are having, okay. The very important thing is that first we are facing network issues. The very important part of today's first class. Okay. And the next point is that it is a paper code. This is communication lab, okay. Here you will be having paper code HS301. Okay, 50 marks is there. Let me first introduce to the course. That what course you are having, how you have to do all those things. Let me explain. All the rest 4 branches I have already explained to those persons. Okay. So first thing is that this is the 50 marks. 25 internal, 25 external. And how this 25 marks is being calculated, I would like to explain to you people first. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Attendance, assignment, your class participation. Here you have to present some seminars, some presentations. Okay. So the further most important thing is that you first of all, you have to buy a pen drive. Here all the slides you have to keep. You have to give me those pen drive. Each one should have his own personal pen drive. The pen drive should not be in a group. Okay. And you have to submit.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Who's this? Shishir.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Your voice.
Yeah, Shishir. I'm repeating this thing because see, this is the further most important thing before you are entering the course. Okay. You have to buy one pen drive. Each one should have one pen drive of their own. You have to give presentation skills. You have to give phonetics and phonology. You have to give interview skills. You have to present seminars. Okay, in the communication lab, when you will come to the college physically, okay, that time you have to give your presentation, the pen drive I will enter over there, the projector, it will be shown to your lab, and you have to explain. And next part is there, the foremost important thing is that you have to make a group. A group formation should be there. And how many students are there altogether in CSE, may I know?
42.
42. Okay, please make a group of 5 or 6. Please make a group of 5 or 6, and this group will be for throughout the year. You can't change the participation name, you can't change your friend's name. All the students should be of CSE branch because the group discussion part is there, the presentation is there, the seminar is there. All those things you have to do in a group. Okay, that's why you have to form a group. You have to send me the names in the group. In the second session, after English class, you have any classes today?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, then we will be having 2 classes. Okay, because now network is quite all right. So we will be having 2 classes. In the second class, I will show you the Google Classroom. I have code I have made. There you have to submit your presentation since today is not as a presentation. Okay. Next one, you have to buy a copy. The practical copy should be quite thick because otherwise you have to make 2 copies. You have to purchase 5 to 6 files, plastic files, and everything that should be in your plastic file. The soft copy, it means the hard copy in the plastic file will be there, and the soft copy will be in the pen drive. And please, all of you, don't do any kind of color printout. You have to do printout of those things. Plus, please don't do the color printout because it will cost quite more money, sum of money for you people. So please, you have to do in a black and white. Okay. And the copy will be like this. The content, please note it down. What will be the content? The copy should be like this. Okay, you are having the physics copy, physics practical copy. You people have made.
Ma'am, it's one side ruled and one side wide.
Yeah,
That one.
definitely. See, yes, I am saying you something that you have to follow. You have to make classmate copy. Please don't take any other brand. Take the classmate copy because the code and the page quality is very good of the classmate. That's why I'm saying please use the classmate copy. It should be good. You have to cover like this. Please do not staple. Use sellotape. See the previous year students, they are made and submitted to me. Okay, you have to do sellotape. You have to put the sellotape. No need to do the staple work. You have to cover today, tomorrow, whenever you go to the market. Please purchase this because from the next class you will be have to write a lot in this copy. If it is possible, then buy a thick copy. It will be good for you people. You don't have to make 2 copies then. Okay, the first part will be a printout part. See, fully it is printout and how you have to paste it. Can you, are you able to look at here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write
Yes,
what
ma'am.
things you have to write. Okay, the copy should be full. You don't have to cut, make it squares. No, full. Anna, can you see this one? How this girl has pasted? Okay, please now write down what things there should be. First is there the heading will be in the capital alphabet. Chavas Engineering College bracket established by Government of Jharkhand and run by Techno India under PPP. After that, you have to write Department of Computer Science and Engineering. After that, name, your branch, your semester, your student ID. You are having a university roll number also now.
Registration one, no?
Registration, yeah.
One.
Registration number, yeah. You have to write the registration number also. Student ID, registration number, subject and session. How many of you are here lateral entry? Anyone is there from lateral entry? No one. So you people don't have to write in bracket that you are lateral or you are regular. Okay. You just have to
Ma'am,
make,
repeat.
yeah, please say.
Repeat, ma'am. Chavas Engineering College after that.
Hello, ma'am.
After that, established by Government of Jharkhand and run by Techno India under PP, you just go to the YouTube link. I will share this YouTube link. Okay. In the second session, I will show you, I will give you the Google Classroom code to you people. And you people, I will post the link over there. Just go through it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can you please bring? Ma'am, can you please bring that copy near camera? I will take a
I
screenshot.
think Pankaj,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would like to say now, if I will show you in the camera, no, it will be not possible for you people to see clearly. One thing I can do for you people, just wait. One thing I can do for you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I will just click the pic over here and I will just send that pic in your Google Classroom.
No, ma'am. Group में भेज दीजिए ना WhatsApp.
WhatsApp group, if I send, I don't have anyone number I am having with you, then I will send him. Then he or she will just send to all the friends. Please ping me right now. Right now only I will send to him and he will just send to all the people. Okay. Please don't post in the college WhatsApp group. Okay. Please ping me in WhatsApp, any one of you, and I will just send to him or her and they will just send to their friends. Right now ping me. Okay, Neeraj. Yeah, Neeraj, I have got your message. I am sending you, Neeraj. Okay. See, Lateral entry, you don't have regular students, you don't have to write regular. The person who are lateral, they just have to write, okay? Next one. Next, I would like to say, like this type of file, you have to buy 6. See, once you just purchase each and everything, just once, like this type of plastic file, you have to purchase 6. Okay. I will suggest purchase in a group, so it will be quite cost effective for you people.
Ma'am, any color or only yellow color?
Any color, no need, any color.
Okay.
Okay, any color. Any color, and the first paper print out now. The first paper print out, just take it once. Just make one and just do xerox of that. Okay. Just do the xerox, how you have to make the content part and all those things. Neeraj, I am sending that pic to you again. Okay, Neeraj. Please share those things with your friends.
Okay, ma'am. I will send it to group.
Yeah, you just send it to the group, but don't share it in the college WhatsApp group. Hello? Your friends group you people are having, na? There is the set. See, like this, you have to make one, and after that, you have to just make the xerox, because each of the front paper will be like this. I have sent you. Oh, shit. And this presentation skill should be of 15 to 20 pages. 15 to 20 pages, your slide will be of 20. The number of slides in the presentation will be of 30. Yeah, sorry, 20. Okay. You have to mention your group name. And the next part, whenever there will be a seminar, you just have to make one banner. You know the banners that we are sending in group? The flyer? That today you are having this kind of webinar and all those things. There you have to make a flyer. Here I have to give all of your friends passport size pics. Who are the group members? You have to write their names. You have to write their roll number or student ID. Got it? Is it clear to you people, or I should repeat it again? Please tell me. If there is a need to repeat, then I will repeat.
Repeat one.
Which part I should repeat? Please tell me.
Ma'am, this webinar part.
Webinar part. Okay. Webinar part I am saying you that in the webinar part, the first thing is that you have to form a group. I have told you, please send me the group name. Next thing is that first, foremost today, your important work is that you have to form a group. The number of groups, since you are 42 students, the participation will be 5 and maximum 6. Okay, not more than, not less. Okay, formation of group, and this group will work throughout the year together. There will be no changes in the group members, in the group names. Okay. Next, you have, when there is a presentation, when there is a seminar, you just have to, I will inform you 1 week earlier. In that 1 week earlier, before your presentation, okay, you have to make a flyer. How you will start your presentation, your seminars? You have to make a flyer. First part is that the flyer part. That on which date you are going to present the seminar, or you are going to present the presentation. Okay. In that flyer, how you have to do? Again, I have told you. I have sent the picture. Your first will be Chaivasa Engineering College. The Techno India logo will be there in the left hand side. Okay, next after that you have to write although Chaivasa Engineering College established by Computer Science Department. After that, your topic part, date, time. And under that, you have to write your friends, one pic, passport size pic of your friends. That should be decent, not like a fancy dress competition. That should be very decent. That's why I told you that passport size pic. Each one of you, there will be pasted 5 members. Below that, their name should be written and their student ID number. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, the content. When you will start the presentation, after that the flyer part, you will be having the content part. What is the content part? First, you have to, means whenever you are showing something, you are presenting something, it will be from the introduction part. The introductory part should be very effective. In middle, what you people write, it doesn't matter, but the introduction matters a lot because it is the abstract of that presentation, that what is being inside and how you are presenting. Okay, now again there is no need to mention your member's name. You are having the total number of slides 20. If the group members are 6, then the total number of slides should be 25. Each one have to divide your own work. Who will present which slide? There should be a proper coordination between you people. That 5 slides he will explain. After you explain your slides, okay, see, I am saying you very logically one thing. The introduction part should be given to the best member of your group and the conclusion part, because the starting and the ending, this is the most important thing. And in between who are explaining, their role is that they should be very clear to their point and views, because question may arise from that part also. The person, may I question you, may your friends question you when you are presenting the slide. After completion of your slides, I will also question you, and the question will go to the whole group. But from where I will ask the question, who have explained that slide, they have to answer me. I will not remember that who has explained which slides. It's your responsible. You people are responsible for your 5 slides explanation. But the numbering will be to a whole group. If you people are getting 5 number, it will be 5 for all the group members. If you are getting 3 numbers, then it will be 3 for all the group members. One thing I am clearing you. So don't think that he has given a good presentation, he will get 5 marks. I have not given a good presentation, I will get 3 marks. No. That's why I have told you the first important thing is that you have to make a group. The first priority you have to send me in the WhatsApp personally. Your group name, sorry, group name not, your branch and the group member's name. You have to send me. First, today's your work is to me. Up to 8 o'clock, please send me the group member's name by today. Anyone is having any confusion till now, please ask me, because in the next class, when I will go through the experimental work, I will not explain these things again. Who are not attending the class is their loss, not mine. That's why I am saying you again and again. If you are having any confusion, ask me. I will repeat it again and again. But don't ask me in between the classes when I will start the course. Anyone is having any problem? Any confusion? Please ask me. You are free to ask me. I will repeat it again. And one more thing. You have to use black pen and blue pen only when you are writing the experiments. You don't have to use any gel pen, any other colorful pen. Only the blue and black. The black part will be the heading and the blue you have to write. See. They have written the black in the heading part. Can you see? The heading is in black and after that blue. And please don't use whitener and don't make the copy dirty. If you will make the dirty copy, I will make, means 100% I am sure that I will make you write it again in a new copy. And these copies will be with me. You will be not be get written these copies. And if when I will check if I'll find whitener and this all cutting and all those things, seriously I am saying you, I will make you write in the new copy again. Otherwise, I will give you what marks, you people just be happy with that marks. See, there are total number of modules, that is 10. Number of experiment, minimum number of experiments to be conducted is 7. Maximum number of experiment to be conducted is 10. In the previous session, I have conducted 10 experiments. This session, I wish that I will conduct 10 experiments for you people. Okay. And your class participation is the most important thing, because giving give this course to your engineering people is like to make you people hesitate free, to overcome with this stage fright, to come with this interview skills, this technique, so you can in future you can learn, in future you can face boldly all those interview skills, this presentation skills. And in the presentation skills, please don't use any sound effect. Don't use any sound effect. Don't use such kind of animations that doesn't suit your work. The academic work should be very neat and clean. The use of font should be not more than 12 or 14. Maximum 16. Please use a proper font. Please don't use any sound effect. In phonetics and phonology, you can use the sound effects. Please try to do by your own. Please write by your own. Don't try to copy and paste. Please put the slide numbers below. In the right hand side below, please mention the slide number. Please look at the margin. The margin should be equal for topmost, lowermost, left and right side. The whole should be, the slide should be of equal margin. That one side I have given margin, another side continuation. No. Please see the margin. Please see the font color. Please see your slide color and all those things, because it makes your slide more effective. Okay. The color you are using for the font, please look after that also. You are enough grown up now, you know what color will suit here, what will not. Please don't use that rainbow colors type slides make for making your slides. Don't use that rainbow colors. Okay. Next part. Communication is skill. Why we need communication is skill? Can anyone say me? Why we need communication skill? First question, you are reading communication skill lab. Why? See, the first will be your group discussion. The first experiment is your group discussion experiment. Okay. The objective part will be there. The introduction part will be there. Body language, voice modulation. Okay, just that. Can you say me what do you mean by communication? Now you people will read what is a communication. Can you say me what is a communication? Any one of you? What do you mean by a communication?
A way of expressing our views. A way of expressing our views.
Without communication, can we survive? Can we survive without communication?
No.
In Hindi, you have listen, one proverb is there that तीर उतना नहीं चुभता जितना इंसान का बोली चुभ जाता है. Can any one of you say me what is the English version of this sentence? उसका बोली तो इतना तेज है कि तीर उतना नहीं चुभता है कि उसका बोली उतना चुभता है. Can you say me the English sentence? I'm giving you a clue. It is being told by Robert Burton. It's a very nice sentence that Robert Burton has told. Can anyone? Any one of you? Any one of you? Would you like to try, Shishir?
Ma'am, repeat again.
I'm saying the sentence only. I know you people will not be able. Okay. A blow with a word strikes deeper than a sword. A blow with a word strikes deeper than a blow with a sword. Words are hurting more deeper. Words are very effective how we use. See this motivation. Yeah.
Ma'am, sticks and stones. Ma'am, sticks and stone may break our bones, but words will hurt us deeper.
No, this is from Robert Burton in English communication skill. Na? There was Robert Burton, one quotation is there. Okay. This quotation is that a blow with a word strikes deeper than a blow with a sword. See, I will say this in this atomic world, I will say, not the simple world. I will say today's world is atomic world. In the atomic world, if we have to survive, we have to be very good with our words. We have to know how to play with our words. Sometimes, if you speak politely and gently, your work can be easily handled. But in the same case, if you will talk roughly and use such rough languages, no, the simple work will be very tough for you people. Okay. So I think that today's whole world is working in a communication on. If you're good in communication, you can mold anyone. You can just brainwash their mind. Anna, is it or not? Yes or no? Can you give me some examples from day-to-day life that if anyone is very good speaker, he is very good in communication, how he or she is being benefited? Any example from your day-to-day life, from you people used to follow some YouTube blogger, you people see some motivational speech from YouTube. Can you name them and give a little bit description? 1 or 2 lines. That how people were now, how they are using their communication part, and now they are very famous in their life, in the society. Any example from your side? Anyone? No one? Yes or no? Any one of you? Yes or no? The LIC agent, I will say. Have you seen the LIC agent? How the people are molding? Do this one, it will be very good, very benefited. The insurance company people. They speak very gently, very nice. The salesman. Okay. Now, I am sharing your Google Classroom code. Okay. I'm sharing with you people the Google Classroom. Please note it down or take a pic of this Google Classroom code, because here only I will post the YouTube videos, and the second class I will continue with you people for this communication, the overview of this communication. Okay, I will give you some tasks. You have to write about 3 pages on that task. 3 pages you have to write. You have to submit me before up to today's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, up to 8 of October, you people have to submit me in the Google Classroom. Please take the picture of this. This is your Google Classroom code. Okay. See, here you have to submit. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please take the click of this, because your friends may ask you people that what is the Google Classroom code. Okay, please take the pic of this Google Classroom code. Here only I will send here all YouTube links. If there will be notes, I will send over here. Okay. Can I close it? Should I stop this sharing now? Yes or no? Should I stop?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. In the next class, after I think after 7, 15, 40. Okay, at 15:40 we will having the next session. Okay, 15:40 with you people. I will have the next session, second class with you people at 15:40. That means 3:40 I will be having the next class with you people. In that class, I will explain you about the communication, the process of communication, the definition of communication, what is the general communication and what is the standard communication. Sorry, professional communication. Standard communication and general communication and professional communication. These topics we will cover. After that, I will give you one topic for your homework. My first class was today's for your introduction about the subject, how you have to do, what things you have to do, how many experiments you have to do, how many modules are there, what is the total number of marks, and how you will get those marks, how it is being divided. I think I am clear to you people. Hopefully, I think this all things are clear, that how many marks you will be getting, how you have to make, what things you have to do the printout, what things you have to cover, how you have to cover the copy. Each one of you have to purchase a pen drive, and please in that pen drive, please don't have any content other than your English communication lab. That pen drive should be particularly for your English projects, for your presentation. Other than that, please don't have any content. Don't say, ma'am, uske paas hai, mere paas nahi hai. He is having, me is not having. Okay, please don't do. Please send me your group members' names by today. Next part, if it is possible for you people, make one email ID. That password should be with your friends. If anything is there, you can download in the drive so that your group partners can access. That should be uploaded in the drive. Only your group partners should know the password and all those things. That will be very easy for you people in this online. Don't think that is the online mode hai. But basically, one thing I will explain, that very soon and early your classes will be physical. Next part is the experimental part, the very important thing. Experimental part. See, here always you people have the name of the experiment, the page number. date, experiment date, submission date, signature and remarks. Okay. This experiment date you have to mention on which date the experiment is being conducted. Through online mode also you have to write on which date which experiment is there. You have to mention the date. Please don't write the submission date. Don't write the submission date. The submission date will be on which date you will be physically present in the college. That day, when I will say that today you submit all of the copy, that date should be the submission date. When you will write the experiment, suppose today I am conducting one experiment. Experiment number 1 is being conducted today. Please submit it in the Google Classroom. Make a PDF. Write your name in the PDF. Suppose that PDF is of Manish Kumar. In that PDF, after making the PDF, Manish Kumar in brackets CSC experiment number 1 group discussion date. The title of the PDF should be like this. That PDF you have made, वो send कर दिया, upload कर दिया Google Classroom. No, I don't know who's that one. I don't know whose person, which person. Within 5 days, you have to submit the experiment in the Google Classroom. I think 5 days is enough for submission of the experiment. Okay. Again, I am repeating your name, in bracket your branch, date of experiment, and experiment 1 group discussion. Like that you have to submit. Okay. So that I will know the work is done, and please don't write in any of the other copies. Write in your practical copy only. It will be easier for you people. So I am saying you are now at home, today in the evening, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Please go to the market. Please purchase these things. So at the time when you have to submit, it will be not like a burden for you people. Please write in a good handwriting. Please don't write in a jail. See the marks you will get, very good marks I will say you will get if you follow these things. Basically, I also don't want to cut marks for you. Okay. Now, anyone, any queries? Because in the second class, I will come again to the study part. First class was the introduction for you people. Hopefully, I think that you have understood what things you have to do, what things you have to follow. Anyone is having any confusion? He or she may ask me right now. Anyone is having any confusion? No one? Pankaj Kumar Shahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by communication, and from where this communication word has been originated? This is a question for you. See, we people say na communication. This is a homework task. Okay, 10-minute homework task in the next class, in the next session, in 3:40. 3:40 I will be having the next class with you people. Please join me at 3:40.